Lombok?
Yeah, your name? You book just one way, yeah?
Yeah, just one way.
네, 오늘은 제가 여기서 롬복으로 들어갈 예정이고요. 오늘도 무사히 멀미가 없기를 바랍니다. 정말 수많은 사람들이 항구에 몰려 있어요. Yeah, just one.
Thank you.
Thank you. 아주 부글부글해요, 부글부글.
Mang, ini kira ini lombok. Lawangan itu. Lawangan.
롬복 to the pier. 무사히 잘 배달되길 바라며. 드디어 내린다. 야, 내렸어. 너무 힘들었다. 야, 내 가방. 야, 가방 다 젖었다. 샘발룬?
Balloon.
Yeah, 샘발룬.
650.
650? 아, 롬복은 너무 처음이라서 지금 설레요. 이 도심 자체가 다른데? 신나는데? 이분들은 이제 넘어가시는 분들인가 보다. 바람이 엄청 나네. 역시 안 오는 애 보니까 너무 신나네. 아까 멀미 나가지고 진짜 죽는 줄 알았는데 바람마저 너무 시원하네. 이렇게 픽업하러 오시는 분들이 엄청 많네. 나는 아니야. 오늘 날씨 너무 최고다. Yeah, maybe later. 여기는 투어리스트. 일단은 가격을 먼저 들어봐야 될 것 같아요. Just ask. No smoking.
Oh, sorry.
So how much?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Sembalun.
Sembalun. Oh,
Yeah.
where you stay in Sembalun?
I don't know. Maybe campsite. I have tent.
You can go in journey, go trekking.
Later, not today.
You can start tomorrow for the trekking. We have a group for tomorrow every day for during the Rinjani mountain.
Yeah, I know, but I'm going to Sembalun first. So after that, I'm going to other mountain.
Which mountain?
I forgot the name.
Which mountain you going? Pagasingan. Big. Why no Rinjani mountain is better?
I know. Maybe later, not now.
No, I mean in 2 days or in 3 days, because if you join this one, you will get all including. Like transport from here to go to Senaru, 1 night hostel including, and then tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can do the Rinjani mountain. We have a program, 2 days 1 night program and 3 days 2 night program.
So how much each program? 영업 잘하네.
3 days 2 night program,
Yeah.
all including. Transport from here to go to our hostel in Senaru, guiding, porter, food, drink, tent, sleeping bag, sleeping mat, cooking gear, entrance fee ticket, 1 night accommodation before the trek, and transport after the trek. All including for that one.
So how much?
All including. But no worries for you, I give you discount.
But
No, this
I
is
don't wanna go tomorrow.
day after.
Not sure. Actually, not sure. First, I'm
Okay,
going to
because
Sembalun.
I mean
Yeah.
from here,
500.
from here to go to our hostel in Senaru, and then you can see the waterfall today. And then, no, I mean, if you want to do the hiking in 3 days or in 4 days, no problem. This is including hostel for you 1 night. For that one. So from here, including.
But I have no plan, so I don't know where I go up Rinjani Mountain because I already have a tent, sleeping bag, all. So I'm going to Sembalun and I'm looking for the campsite.
To go to Sembalun only 750. 3 hours.
No, just
You can check.
grab bike 230. 지금 일단은 쉐어할 수 있는 뭐 버스나 오토바이 같은 거를 찾아봐야 될 것 같거든요. 너무 비싸다. 7만 원. 원웨이인데. Hey, I'm going to Sembalun.
Sembalun.
Yeah, so is there a bus to go to Sembalun? Yeah.
Okay, so how much do you spend on here to Sembalun? Because no bus.
So that's why I'm looking for the bus
Bus
or
is nothing.
motorcycle.
So do you want to go with the bike?
Yeah, no problem.
So if you want to go with the bike, this is 350.
I checked the Grab, it's 230. Because I'm looking around here.
So how much with this car? How much?
No, it's so expensive.
I get to cheaper. How much?
No, so I'm looking around the other agents.
Nothing there, nothing on this here.
Just go. Okay, no problem. 와, 계속 따라오네. I'm going to Sembalun.
Sembalun, oh, it's very far. From
Yeah,
here.
very far. Yeah, I know it takes
Like
us
4 hours from here.
3 hours.
No, more, it's more. No, it's so the train.
So how much?
You can see the bus we have back there.
No, just I'm looking for the other bus. So just tell me the price.
Just tell me how much.
I'm looking for the motorcycle.
Oh, nothing. Near Mataram, we have project with friend.
와, 와. 여기는 너무 비싸다. 진짜 택시비만 얼마인 거야. 쉽지가 않네요. 쉽지가 않아. 그래서 다들 렌트를 하거나 아니면은 오토바이를 빌리는 것 같아요. Yeah, I'm going to Sembalun.
Sembalun.
How much did I pay?
It's 600.
It's a 600? It's a normal price here?
Price, yeah.
오, 너무 비싸네. 생각보다 물가가. Just today I'm going to Sembalun and
Yes.
not tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
Yeah, just tomorrow I'm going to Parisani.
You know, this my friend from Korea is it's nice.
Yeah, later I wanna go, but not now. Maybe after 3 or 4 days.
After Sembalun Persingan, you call me, you go to this my office from Senaru. Hello, sister. Because this here, after you go to Rendani, you go to Buddhist temple.
No, just now I'm going to Sembalun and then just wanna chill in there because very tired now. I
Okay.
wake up early.
No, you go to Panjasingan. Same in Senaru. Same in Panjasingan in mountain Rendani. Same.
Same?
Yeah. Same. You know same. Sam.
Yeah, same. Oh.
Sam.
그러면은 나는 if Rinjani and Perushinian mountain is same,
Yeah.
I don't wanna go Rinjani.
You go to Rendani.
Yeah, just going Perushinian.
Panjasingan.
Yeah. So just I'm going to Sembalun village.
Yes.
I'm looking for the campsite.
It's a big bag.
Yeah.
After you put in a hotel. Small boat you make it.
No. I stay campsite
Yes.
on the village.
Yes.
Now I wanna go to Sembalun village. That's all.
Small boat. No, go to Rendani.
Yeah, but you say Rinjani and Perushinian is same.
Because you know, in Rendani, many people is not Rendani teacher, you know.
Yeah, I know. I already know. My friends are already coming here, so
Yeah,
many.
because better in Bersingan is small. It's
Yeah,
small.
small. I know.
Its name.
Oh,
This name I just my ticket, but for you.
what is the ticket?
And Rendani.
Rinjani?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm thinking about more.
See, baru Bersingan tu. Where?
Perushinian.
Bersingan.
야. 아이고. 일단 그랩을 한번 불러봤거든요. 되는지 안 되는지는 모르겠는데 한 225에 갈 수가 있어요. 그래서 일단은 시도를 해보겠습니다. 안 되면 어쩔 수 없고 다른 방법을 찾아봐야겠지만 뭔가 이렇게 등 떠밀려서 린자니를 가고 싶지가 않아요. 이렇게 혼자 하이킹을 하는 게 너무나 힘드네요. 어떻게 될지를 몰라서 한번 상황을 보면서 다음 플랜을 짜야 될 것 같아요. 이럴 땐 진짜 혼자여서 외롭구나. 일단 어찌어찌 갑니다. Okay, thank you. Hello. I'm looking for the campsite. Maybe there.
Okay. Okay.
아, 너무너무 힘들어요. 배고프고. 근데 여기 내렸는데 뷰가 너무 미쳤다. 와, 진짜 와, 감탄밖에 안 나오네. 지금 한 1시간 반 정도 고데기에서 왔는데 와, 스마일. 여기 마을이 아주 한적한 시골 마을입니다. 근데 어디 텐트를 칠 수 있다고를 알고 있어가지고 일단은 주인분으로 추정되시는 분한테 말씀드리고 따라가고 있거든요. 아마 여기 어딘가 그냥 이렇게 마당에 치는 것 같아요. Hello.
Can you speak Indonesian?
No.
Oh, where come from?
I'm from Korea.
Oh, Korea.
Uh-huh.
From Indonesia, from Bogor.
아, 자카르타.
From Jakarta.
아, 롬복.
Lombok.
Sorry.
Oh,
텐트 저기 쳐도 돼요? 캠핑 괜찮아요?
yes.
캠핑.
Yeah.
캠핑. So how much? 있어요. I have.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry, but little to English. Little gitu.
It's okay, no
Ya,
problem.
coba nggak perlu.
하나도 이해 안 돼. I can't understand. 이제 여기 텐트를 칩니다. 아주 뷰가 기가 막히죠? 해까지 빌려주시고 두 개 다 박아버리네? 아, 바람 때문에 막는 것 같은데? 이렇게 뷰 전망으로 오늘의 집이 완성이 됐습니다. 뒤에는 아주 드넓은 산맥과 푸르른 하늘이 있고요. 아주 마음에 들어. 끝! 이상해. 오케이, 땡큐. See you. 밥을 먹으러 나가고 있습니다. 진짜 시골 동네다.
Come on.
가만?
Come on.
태워다 주신다네?
Yeah.
아주 극진한 대접을 받으면서 머무는 캠핑장이네요. 아무도 없는데? Hello. 아무도 없는데 어떡하지? All is Indonesia food?
Spaghetti, maybe if you want it for the Western food.
I don't wanna eat Western food. Just 오늘의 첫 끼이자 오늘의 마지막 끼니입니다. 이제 6시가 다 돼서야 먹는 밥이네요. 이거는 잠깐만. 이거 너무 익숙한 맛인데? 복지리탕? 그 맛이 나요. 와, 진짜 깔끔하네. 진짜 여기 샌발룬이라는 마을에 오기까지 너무나 오래 걸렸고 이제 거의 12시간이 걸렸습니다. 짱구에서 빠당바이를 갔다가 거기서 기다리고 또 배를 타고 각각의 섬들을 다 들려서 롬복을 내리고 또 다시 막 택시나 이런 버스도 알아보고 하려니까 진짜 너무 오래 걸리는 거예요. 그래서 진짜 오랜만에 느끼는 진짜 여행 혼자 하는 게 이렇게 힘든 건가? 약간 그런 생각까지도 들더라고요. 와, 오늘 힘듦이 진짜 씻겨 나간다. 저녁을 먹고 나오니 슬슬 해가 지고 있네요. 여기 저희 이제 캠프파이어 합니다. 크리스탈.
Wildan.
Wildan.
Yes.
You go to Rinjani?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
You're also going to Rinjani?
No,
No?
I'm not sure.
No. I'm so happy.
Is it possible?
Maybe. I'm not sure. No,
No.
No, only for
Indonesia.
local people.
This is danger.
Yeah, but
Hiking.
I'm hiking Nepal also alone. Yeah, Annapurna.
What? You hiking Nepal?
Yeah.
Solo
Annapurna,
hiking?
Solo hiking.
What?
Ah,
This is cinnamon.
really? Cinnamon is input the coffee with coffee.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, I just try.
Yeah.
Apa?
You try.
Okay.
Jangan dikasih makan. Belum.
Jangan no.
Belum matang.
Yeah.
No.
Ah, not eating now?
No.
No?
Apa?
Pusing banget.
Coba apa?
Ah, 무슨 말이야? 와.
Harus dibakar dulu.
Belum matang.
Kita
Have to burn.
Have to. Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
You can eat, have to burn.
no problem.
No problem?
Perut orang.
Enggak, coba.
Ya, takutnya dia kan dia belum tahu.
Tunggu.
Singkong.
Ya,
10 menit.
Fruit or vegetable?
vegetable, not fruit.
Not fruit.
Ya, itu.
Di bawah aja, jangan taruh
Iya,
di atas.
takutnya nggak
Iya.
bisa matang. Cek.
Good?
Yes, good. You try?
Okay, I wanna try.
Okay.
It's like a potato.
Yes,
Okay.
it same.
Same?
Yeah. You take
Hot.
your hand. Terlalu panas.
Mmm.
Di potato.
Not sweet.
Yeah. No.
No. Not bad, but not good.
Yeah.
Pelombo.
You made a coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is coffee Lombok.
Coffee Lombok.
Yeah.
You drink first.
Yeah.
Ini.
You first.
Setengah
Itu
aja.
belum.
Wow, so sweet.
Yeah. Terlalu manis.
Oh, terlalu manis.
Yeah.
Segar.
How to say I like it? Delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Enak.
Enak.
Enak. In Indonesia enak. Yeah.
Enak. Ah, so that's why.
Yeah. You wanna
Because
try?
no. 아무 맛 안 나. No taste.
Yeah,
no,
no taste.
no sweet, no salty.
Yeah.
Soalnya jangan selera no.
Iya, bener.
Ada kita punya
Makanya dia nggak
Arabica.
yakin kalau ke Rinjani.
Iya.
Anak darah sama Nanggi ya.
Iya.
Ini nanggi atau pegasin?